Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to verify your PayPal account using a BOD debit card in 2025. This process is quick, easy and super important to make sure your PayPal is fully functional. So let's get into it. So first things first, once you have added your BDO debit card to PayPal, you might see a confirmation card link next to your wallet. If you see this, you'll need to go through a short verification process. Here's how to do it. Open your browser and log into your PayPal account. Head over to wallet and click your BOD debit card. Then click the confirm card link. Now, if you don't see the link, no worries. It just means PayPal has already verified your card automatically. You're good to go. But if you do need to confirm it, here's what happens next. PayPal will charge your card 1.95 USD. Don't worry, this is not a fee. Along with the charge, you'll get a 4-digit PayPal code on your BDO statement within 2 to 3 business days. You'll want to check your online banking or wait for next statement to find this code. If you don't sell it, you can actually request a new code up to 3 times. Now, once you have that code, go back to your PayPal wallet. Click on your BDO debit card again, enter the 4-digital code and hit confirm. That's it. Once confirmed, PayPal will immediately refund your 1.95 USD. The refund will show up on your card within 30 days, usually much sooner. And there you go. Your BOD debit card is now verified with PayPal. You can now send, receive, and withdraw funds without any hassle. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.